much for watching these videos. My name is Kamya Simon Peter, and let us proceed. Alright, so this is what we had previously, and I had a change in mind. Now I want to do one of two things. One, I want the moment someone in the admin goes to the add videos, they first view a playlist, and then they click on the playlist they want to add the video to, and then it displays all the videos that lie under that playlist, and then they can add a video, delete, or do another. Now that is one. Or I can have a playlist here, and when I click on that playlist, like it brings another model where the videos will be seen or added. Now, so I'm going to do one of the two things, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here. I already have this called add videos, and it is displaying videos. Okay, so I'm going to create one, and I call it video playlist, maybe admin playlist. This one is just view playlist, the other one is admin playlist. All right, so let's start with doing that, and you're going to get the logic. So I'm going to do something very simple. Let me first save this as admin playlist. You're going to see the whole thing. All right, so it's empty. Very simple. I'm going to do a div. Okay, and then I close the div. All right, then I save. I'm going to save this as admin vid list, maybe vid list dot blade dot php. All right, I have to do save. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, first of all, I'm going to import the usual items to make sure that we have. All right, let me first do a route to this admin playlist. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go and change my web so that it first routes to this, and then I'll change for it to route to this. Okay, so let me do, let me go to my routers. I double click on web. All right, so when it goes to admin videos, okay, so let me change this. Let me first copy this, and I paste another below. So the other button, once pressed, it won't go to admin videos, it will go to admin video list, and then at admin video list. So I'm just creating another route so that I don't destroy the other, because I'll be using the other to find the ID. Very good. All right, so let's go to the controller. So our controller is the principal controller. So I'm going to go to app, HTTP controllers, then I click on the principal controller. Okay, so I'm just going to create a new kind of function just to display the playlist. So I'm going to call it public. Okay, function admin playlist. I called it something here. I'm just going to admin video list. Oh, video. It's supposed to be video. Why do I keep making this kind of error? Admin video. I think I just snap on the keyboard with my fingers. All right, so admin video, and then I close off. So what do I need from this admin video? I need it to echo all the playlists that are already displayed. Now remember, we imported our playlists. So the first thing I'm going to do is do playlists, vid playlist, vid list, vid playlist, which is supposed to be a variable. So $vid playlist, all right, is equal to playlist. Now the playlist model, then all. All right, so it will display all. So all I have to do is return that to a view, okay, which view will contain. So I'm going to do, the view is going to be admin videos. Admin videos. Okay. And then stroke. Now admin vid list. What I have here, admin vid list. Vid list. I didn't complete it. I did like that. Then I'm going to compact it. So it's going to have a compact again, which compact is going to contain now our variable, which is vid playlist. Great. So first of all, we need to go back and change this button, which button is in a dashboard, so that it points to this route here, admin vid list. All right, so let me do a search and find. Admin vid find. Okay, there it is. So I'm just going to paste it here so that it routes to that. Okay, save and then refresh. All right, so when I click on add videos, it's supposed to take me to add video list. All right, so it says add video list. What did I call it down? Admin video list. What did I call it in the web? Admin video list. Add that. All right, so let me see. Admin video list, principal controller, admin video list. So let me check in the principal controller and I see admin video list. All right, so it returns. Okay, what it returns is supposed to be under principal. Okay, so I was missing this. So I couldn't get the view. Sorry. Great. So let's refresh again. Okay, unless I'm mistaken. All right, admin video list. Not found. Let me double check. So it takes to admin video list. Okay, so let me copy this. Then come to dashboard, admin video list. Yes, everything is add videos. I'm just cross-checking. Yes, everything checks out well. Add videos goes to admin video list. Okay, and then routes to principal controller at admin video list. Okay, then in principal controller, the function is admin video list. Let me just hope I didn't miss anything there. Okay, so it returns view, admin videos, admin vid list, admin vid list. Great. And then vid playlist. All right, so I'm still wondering why it's failing. Okay, it found our page, and our page right now is empty. Great, I think I corrected that. Okay, so let me go to admin vid list, and first of all, I want to copy these so that they are already on top, and I retain our kind of movement. So I'm also going to end that section at end section. Because I still want this side of the menu, okay? So when I refresh, I get that side of the menu, so I can always easily click. So our content is going to come here. So first of all, I want the content to come here. And the moment you click, I want all video playlists to be here. So I'm going to divide this into two. This side video playlist, and then the moment you click, you get the plays displayed here. All right, so let's see how to do that. So I need to have two divs. The first div is the row, which is already contained up there. So the first div is the row, which I guess is already in the admin body. And then the other div now here is the one that is going to contain the videos the other side. So div, once a playlist is selected, so I'm going to put at yield, okay, belonging videos. Let me call it belonging videos. You're going to get it, videos. Great. And then here I want to have all playlists. So I'm going to make a for each statement that at for each. Now remember, I want to name these things in the easiest way possible. So I'm going to end for each. So I'm going to make this end for each, the easiest way possible. So that's why my naming convention is that long, but it depends on you. So I want to first of all get the vid placed here. Okay, so it means at for each, okay, dollar vid playlist as vplst, which is also a variable. So that's just a shorthand. Okay, what do I want to do? I want to have a table where I'm displaying all these. So first of all, I'm going to create a table up here, a bootstrap table. So let me just create a simple table. So I'm going to go and choose to get bootstrap.com. Then I look for tables. I just copy the table. So under documentation, table, okay, then I look for tables. So I'm just going to copy any table. I think this won't do me bad, so I'm going to copy this. I want one that alternates colors. Let me see. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, a striped one. Oh my god, I can't even make a simple choice. So I'm going to copy that, and one, I only want to have a playlist. So under the table row in the table head, I want to have a playlist. That's all. And when someone clicks to view the playlist, it goes to something else. So I want to have the playlist. Very simple. So which means all this is unnecessary for the moment in the body. Okay, let me first save and we see what we have. Okay, let me refresh. So this is what we have. So I just want to have a playlist, very simple, and all this will be unnecessary. All right, so let me go back to the code and this table row. Okay, I just need to have one that I'm going to look through. Great. So this is a table row, and in that table row we have the table data. So very simple what we're going to do. Okay, let me first do this so that you see what I mean. All right, so if I put the for each here, Okay, so we're going to have something that is bizarre. So I've done that. Let me refresh. Oh, I'm refreshing the wrong thing. Let me refresh here. So you see, we're having it in a row. Okay, so, but I want to have a row for each and every playlist that goes down. So instead this, we're having columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm trying to explain is the for each is supposed to be above, outside the table row, just like that. So the reason we're seeing the end results is because each statement is taking its account into consideration. So we're supposed to have a row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are the number of playlists that we have. And now it is very simple. As simple as getting now this pointing to maybe the playlist name. I don't know what I called it in the database. Let me go and revisit and be sure. All right, EB playlist. So this is what we have in the database. So it's called title. All right, so I just call it title and it will display all of them. So if I refresh again, we have all right. So we are missing, we've done one mistake. We've not put them in the blade statement. Oh my God. So we've done one mistake. We've not put them in the blade statement. So all I need to do is put them into blade. Then I refresh. Wow, we have our playlist. Now this whole thing is too big. And now that's when the Bootstrap comes in. I'm going to make sure that this has 4. Even the other has 4 the other side. In fact, I can give this 2. But let it be 4 to 8. All right. Why am I looking into these other projects? 4 to this div, and then I give it a class. Now I'm just doing Bootstrap. And that class, the simple thing, non-responsive, will have a column of 4, which means this other div now will have a column of 8 to make it 12. All right, so let me refresh. All right, so everything is working well, meaning this part here must contain our videos once clicked. So I'm going to do something. I'm going to put an A tag. So once someone clicks on the video here, it will come and load a playlist here of all the items that belong to that, all of the videos that belong to that playlist. Very simple. Now remember, we have the other tab of ours. All right, so which means we can make at yield or at include. Okay, so this is what we're going to have. It's a yield. So we're going to put an A tag, a basic A tag here, around the table data. So you can even put it around the table row so that when someone clicks on the table row, in fact, let it be around the table row, so that when someone clicks on the table row, inside the hyperlink, I'm going to write a URL. The URL, I need to get this. Let me see, admin vid. Let me paste it there. Okay, so, and then comma, then I get the, I create an array, which will be a vid list. A vid list ID, all vid list, then I point to the ID. Both of them can work. Okay, so which means I need to go in my route here, and then I add that I'm taking the ID. Okay, so I'm taking the ID, sorry. Okay, stroke ID. Sorry, I'm modifying this. And then it goes to the principal videos. And then the principal videos, if you go to our controller, this should be taking in an ID. So it should be taking in $ID. Great. So we have issues here, but we're going to resolve them. So if I come and refresh, okay, the moment I click on one of these, let me go to the video playlist. Great. The moment I click on one of these, it should take me to the other side. Now I have issues here. I'm clicking on the row. I think let me switch it to the words, to the text. We shall see about the row later. Admin vid. Okay, let me take it to the text. Table data. Okay. I'm supposed to put it here. Sorry. All right, so let me refresh. This should be clickable. Yes, when I click, I need to get the ID, okay, of that vid list. All right, so on this side, one, and on this side, okay. Great, let me refresh. Okay, we are getting the ID. Great, so it is going to that, but returning this. So I'm going to go and update this div so that it comes to this part, because I only need to see the videos. So I'm going to go to that we had before. Okay, so the only thing I need to see is the videos that belong to that playlist that I've clicked. So first of all, I think I'll put the title of the playlist and then the videos. All right, so I think let me first modify the videos that are returned here, but we haven't added any. Now here, it's picking from the principles. That's why it's bringing this. But instead, remember, we've created something new. We have created something. Let me see, where is it? We have created belonging videos. Okay, so we're going to extend from admin videos, then admin vid list belonging videos. All right, so we're going to come, the section is belonging videos, then it is principal, okay, dot, it's principal, then stroke admin videos, the folder here, admin videos, dot, now admin vid list, that's what I called it. Save, let's refresh and see what we have. Okay, so undefined variable vid playlist. So we need to recreate this so that we have everything ready. All right, so I'm going to go to principal controller and I make sure that this, okay, variable is now also in this place, because I want to get all playlists. And then I make sure that also that I can find that same variable vid playlist. Now there is something new in Laravel called components in Laravel 7 and 8, but I haven't worked around it. All right, so if this is returning it the other way, if we refresh, we should have something. Great, so you can see we have our playlist and then we have the videos, but I want this to come over here. So it's very simple. First of all, we need to have this, okay, the other is in section 8. Now let me first make sure that I have only the videos, okay, and then make sure that they are visible. So the videos, do I need to have thumbnails for the videos for that moment? I think it's something that we can add later. So videos, the video thumbnail, I think is the image, and I'll remove the playlist. Okay, something of the sort. And then if the video is visible or not. Great. So it means we can have the add video. Now we're going to eliminate the video playlist here. Okay, and then define subscription. We shall see about that. All right, so let me refresh and we see what we have. Great, we have reduced that. Then we need to have this get to this place, and all you need to have that with is Bootstrap. All right, it hasn't switched to the other position. That's something I think I can work out so that it doesn't waste a lot of our time in the lesson. So I need to have now to add videos and their playlists. So the rest of the things will work as we've been planning. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in the other video where we're going to make sure that everything fits, and then also add videos according to the playlists. Okay, so that the video displays according to what playlist has been selected. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video.